giving a quick check-in, quick update on our Airbnb and the progress.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
Right. We just finished getting our counters installed, our kitchen installed. So we had we did quartz countertops. All right. We have our cabinets. We went with the black or the dark. Supposed to be bronze, but it turned out to be more black than bronze. Accessories on the cabinets. We had moved our pendant lighting. All right. So you get our pendant lighting, hang over our island. We went with a silver birch color on the paint, and just to brighten it up, so therefore the sunlight can bounce off the floor, bounce off the wall, and brighten up the space. And as you can see right here on the ceiling, we still got to patch up some things on the ceiling. That was the wall support. All right, because remember there was a wall right here that we removed and installed this island, which opened the space up. Man, we are 90% complete with this complete renovation job. We have the final things to do, such as put our sink faucet in, all right, connect our sink, dishwasher, the stove, and refrigerator. And then we also have furniture coming in this week, so we're going to do our backsplash as well. We're going to do backsplash above the cabinets, so we're waiting on the cabinets to be installed in order for us to get that completed. But this is it. This is it. We're 90% complete. So we once we get our furniture in after this weekend, we finish up the minor details that we need to get done for this project. We're going to bring our team back in, the PB6 team. We're going to bring them back in so they can see the final product, all right, furnished, right before we go live. We may do a in-house, open house type deal so we can talk about it with our team.
Oh, is this another master?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was wondering where all the bathrooms were. I just see that one. It's in the middle.
You want this open, right?
Yeah, but it's not gonna stay open. I need to get magnets on the doors.
Yeah.
So what's up, guys? What's up?
You know, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Oh, what's up? We live?
Yeah.
So we at the house.
Are you live?
Getting ready, so I might book myself a room though.
Okay.
So we at the house, man. I'm about to check it out.
Got Rose, got Sean. All right, so basically we're doing just an open house at the Airbnb, just to walk through some of the numbers, do a tour. We are about 98% done. We're doing a last little punch list, so I'm putting out a new fan outside because the remote wasn't working. So we having to go get a new fan, put a new fan so we could be able to adjust the lights, the speed, the fan speed and everything outside. Also, we're gonna put a remote on the master. But what you see here is a 1,600 square foot 4-3 that's been fully renovated, from the floors, pretty much everything. We opened up the kitchen, we added more LED lighting. We had a fluorescent light up here in the kitchen. It was pretty dark. So we added the LED lights, daylights. We went up the wall with the 24 by 48 tile that matches the floor.
Breaking stuff.
I think the camera's on us, right? The camera, you got the camera on us?
I think that's upside down.
It's not. So
It's not.
so here we have quartz countertops. We have cabinets on front and back to make up for the counter space that we removed from the kitchen when we knocked down the walls. So on the cabinets you have little tabs here that you can't see. But yeah, so it gives us cabinet space on the front and back to replace the cabinets that we removed from above. We have everything where we have the house is semi-smart. So we have the smart door lock for access. We have the smart thermostat so we control the temperature when guests come in and out. And we also have a lock gauge on it so the house doesn't get too hot, doesn't get too cool. Everything's been repainted. We wanted to keep everything light, right? Because the space is not a big space, but with the way we laid it out, it makes it feel very big. So we kept everything light, want everything to flow. Before we go outside, let's go through the bathroom. So this one room here is our full master. our master. You have your access to the pool here. All right, we have one last thing. We have our glass shower door that will be coming in now. This 24 by 48 tile runs and flows throughout the house. And we have 2 twin beds there. We have a full bed here. All right, this is another bathroom. All right, we went up the walls in the bathroom with a 48 by 24 tile as well. And this is our other master semi. We use a full-size bunk bed. All right, so it's a full-size bed on top, full-size bed on bottom, and then this is our other master bathroom here, where we went up the walls with the 48 by 24 tile as well. We redone all the light fixtures here just to add more lighting, and yeah. So going outside, we added.
Go ahead and show them this is upside down.
What? Oh, that love? I didn't do that.
Well, I fixed it.
Yep, so going outside, we resurfaced our pool. We also added a new pool pump, new pool heater, and new AC unit for efficiency. So here we go.